Hello, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Hey, thanks for coming to hang out on my channel today. If this is your very first time hanging out and you have not stopped here before, go ahead and check in. Let me know where you're tuning in from in the comments section. And if you really enjoyed the video today, make sure you drop a like on the video and please subscribe. All you have to do is hit that little red button, subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell, and you'll be in the know the next time I upload. Today's video is all about neem oil. I'll be telling you about 10 ways to use neem oil and the awesome benefits of neem oil. So if you're ready, just go ahead and keep on watching. That's right, neem oil. Y'all, I know this is one that you really hadn't heard a whole lot about on my channel, but neem oil is awesome for wrinkles and anti-aging. Let's talk about 10 marvelous ways of using neem oil, or letting you know the amazing benefits of it. So neem oil helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Now that's one thing that we talk about a lot on this channel. So if you're in need of that kind of information, please stick and stay. It also helps to maintain softness and suppleness of the hair and skin. It's going to help promote a healthy scalp. It also moisturizes hair follicles to prevent hair loss. It will also promote hair growth, giving longer, stronger, thicker hair. And it also heals dry skin. What you may not know is neem oil is beneficial in helping to eliminate blackheads. Its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties help reduce redness and sunburn. Skin exposed to harsh ultraviolet rays of the sun can get inflamed and damaged. UV rays can penetrate skin layers and cause harm to the delicate collagen layer under the skin that can cause the skin to age prematurely. But that's not all. UV exposure also causes a release of free radicals in the skin, which in worst cases lead to skin cancer. Even after wearing protective clothing, hats, and applying sunscreen lotion to protect the skin, sun exposure can occur. When this happens, neem oil's anti-inflammatory and analgesic action can help reduce redness and burning, and the natural antioxidant in the neem oil can defend against free radicals, protecting the skin from further damage. Neem oil is anti-aging because it is antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. Repeated skin infections can cause cellular damage. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of neem oil provide a natural protection and act as a natural anti-aging agent. It has been stated that neem oil stimulates collagen production, which is good for skin aging. And it also contains vitamin E that acts as a free radical scavenger by hindering the oxidizing processes in the skin. And it also promotes soft and supple skin. It helps in reducing old scars and promotes healing. Now, if you know of some other great ways that neem oil can be used or its almighty benefits, please chime in the comment section. Now, what I'm going to do now is just share with you a few recipes using neem oil. And I want to share with you also how to use these great anti-aging and wrinkle reducing recipes. Those highly coveted fatty acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties are all present in neem. Plus, again, it is rich in vitamin E, which is a proven ingredient in reversing sun damage and keeping away free radicals. All you have to do is use neem oil twice daily for best results. And here is one of the recipes that you can use: an anti-wrinkle and anti-aging serum using neem oil. All it takes is 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is good for sun-damaged skin, pigmentation. It prevents acne breakouts, retains moisture in your skin, removes dead skin cells, fades away marks and blemishes, and makes your skin brighter and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Use 1 teaspoon of orange oil. Now, orange oil has powerful medicinal properties that improves skin elasticity and prevent you from premature aging, dark spots, fine lines, and signs of aging. And you'll be taking a half teaspoon of neem oil. And yes, neem oil is a great source of fatty acids and vitamin E that provides a natural moisturizing base for skin care formulations. It is great for reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. That is what you mixed up for an amazing anti-wrinkle and anti-aging serum using neem oil. Now here's another one that's an anti-wrinkle oil. All you have to do is combine just a few drops of neem oil with moringa oil. Moringa oil has been used for centuries as an anti-aging oil. It rejuvenates aging skin, improving the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging facial muscles. It has great anti-aging properties to help rejuvenate dull, tired, aging skin. The antioxidants and nutrients in moringa oil can naturally help fight free radical damage. Now, all you have to do, shake well and apply this to your face for a few hours and wash off. Or you can even leave it on overnight to get the full benefits of neem oil. Remember, talk with your doctor about using neem oil on your skin if you have any other ailments that I personally am not aware of. So make sure that you also do a patch test before applying this all over. Because of the potency of neem oil, it's a good idea to mix it with equal parts of a carrier oil like jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, or coconut oil when using it for larger areas of the face or body or on sensitive skin. As I'm doing here, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of the neem oil, and my oil of choice with this blend is grapeseed oil, just for a moisturizer for the skin to combat wrinkles and fine lines. And beautiful babes, there we are, 10 amazing ways to use neem oil along with a couple of recipes. Share your recipes in the comments section. We'd love to hear about them. I am your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and listen, don't keep me a secret. We got some good things going on over here. Yeah, and you know what you need to do, and make sure that all of your friends and family know about me. Absolutely. Share me with your world. And I will see you all on the next video. Take care, beautiful babes. Bye.